Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this is a lecture series of lean manufacturing. So I'm welcome all of you for this video. So this video will have the topic called a setup time reduction. So it starts with what is the input, what is the outcome of the process. So in that we have a number of the factors that directly affect. The starts with a wrap down period, wrap up period. In between that we have to have the process called setup time. So for minimizing these factor, we will improve the process and minimize the production loss with short period of time. So this is the figure shows uh, during the starting of the process and after the completion of the work, in between what are the factors that will consume the time that listed. And then this is the our ultimate goal during the setup reduction: zero setup or eliminate setup. So that is the key objective of this topic. We have to maintain a zero setup time or the or eliminate a setup. So here, what is not, what are the factors that we have to follow, what are the factors that do not follow during the process. This starts with a program to eliminate setup people. Next, a miracle to overcome poor management or poor process layout, a requirement to spend large capital investment to attain a significant benefits. And what are the factors that we have to follow is a tool to reduce waste and excessive time, a low cost method to achieve increased capacity from existing equipment, a process to reduce lot sizes and improve product mix, a cross-functional team approaches to problem solving. So these are the factors that do not to be in the process, and then these are the factors that we have to follow in the process. And then here in order to reduce after following these factors, that factor to be followed and that factor to be eliminated are in order to reduce lead time, it is necessary to reduce lot size, which in turn reduce work in process. And by doing this you must reduce setup time. And then what are the applications? The process making a high variety of end items, a process using high cost components, that is the greater benefits of inventory reduction. So if the product cost is very high means, so we have to reduce the inventory so that we will get the greater outcome from the process. And then the capacity bottleneck operations, it includes avoids purchase of new equipments, and then overtime, avoiding the overtime for the design and then manufacturing and then the marketing, and the better customer order fill, a quicker response time. And then the traditional practice, what are the practice that we have following? So material movement occurs after the machine is turned off. So here we have the few points. Completed products are transformed to next operation, then raw material is moved after the machine is stopped, and the defects or missing equipment noticed when the machine is running. The setup tooling delivered after the changeover has begun. Defective product identified after interval setup has begun. So by following these factors, so we have to identify or notice the defects during the process itself, so that we have the time or the point to remove these defects. And the next is defective tooling fixture setup instruments are noticed after the machine is turned on. So the operator notices that the equipment is missing tools, etc. after internal setup has begun. And then what are the benefits of the setup reduction? and we have the so many benefits that for it starts with trial processing, eliminated material waste and the process waste, and then operating conditions to be prepared in our requirement, increases scheduling flexibility and capability, and then improved cash flow, and then reduced inventory level, and then we have to improve the flexibility, and then reduced overall cost, and then quality, then improved quality, and then effective utilization of labor, and the net and machines, and then the process, and the fewer shortage and stock out, and the improved customer service level.